Let's talk about how big this market is. A lot of cars sold every year. Enormous market, key economic engine, ironically, for the world. What percentage of newly manufactured cars in 5 years do you think are made with the capacity to work with either Wayve or a similar product?
So I think so today there are about 100 million vehicles produced each year, all of 50, 60 million consumer cars. Today, I think the number for advanced ADAS is what the industry calls it is about 15%, but most of this is like highway lane keep assist or some very rudimentary systems. So the penetration of call it outside of China, the full self-driving experience is just really Tesla, and that's a very small fraction of the market. So this is going to go from like nothing to everything over the next few years. What we're seeing is that today luxury manufacturers are bringing in the right level of compute on the cars, a NVIDIA or Qualcomm or something like that GPU and surround sensing. And we're seeing more volume manufacturers like Nissan just announced that they're going to bring this kind of technology to the vehicles from financial year 2027. So over, you said 5 years. I think by 5 years, we're going to see this level of hardware in a very significant portion of the market. And we'll see this improving experience over time. We'll start to see the introduction in the more premium end also of eyes-off technology and even consumer driverless technology. And I think we'll continue to see that flow down. But the steady state is that every vehicle is going to be capable of that. I mean, when you can, for a very low monthly subscription, get a eyes-off driving experience, I think this is going to completely change things. And actually, yes, robotaxis are also transformational, but when you think about the scale, there's less than 10,000 robotaxis in the world today, but 100 million new cars a year. And so the scale of impact you can have through consumer vehicles is enormous. I think the advantage that Waves brings, because we work on both robotaxis and consumer cars, means that firstly, the data we get from consumer cars will give us what we need to build general purpose robotaxis. Secondly, the manufacturing relationships with the OEMs is really important because an OEM really wants to focus on volume. And the only way they can have a business case to work on a robotaxi is if they can have a single partner that work across the spectrum of autonomy. So, for these reasons, I think this will give us the ability to have native relationships where it's a vehicle built as a robotaxi with us just as a software integration. It gives us this high margin software business coming across the spectrum of autonomy. It gives us the data, gives us the global supply chain and geography scale. And so I think for all these reasons, it's a very, very important opportunity for us that often goes unnoticed. But we're going to see this complete transformation of the consumer vehicle market with our AI in the coming years. And to answer your question, in 5 years, I think if you're a manufacturer selling a car that doesn't have this, I think your demand is really going to fall off a cliff.
Big cloud providers may offer you cheap compute, but you'll end up paying the difference in engineering costs and hiring extra developers. You don't want to waste time configuring virtual networks, none of us do, or your access policies. You want your team building your product. So it's time to look at Render. Render is the all-in-one cloud platform for developers that allows you to deploy, scale, and secure your apps and agents with zero ops. Most cloud platforms ask you to split your focus between product and infrastructure, or they force you into platform constraints. You know you're going to outgrow in 6 months, but just connect your GitHub repo to Render and you are live. Web services, cron jobs, the whole stack in one platform. It's time to find out why 5 million developers are already using Render. 5 million. Go to render.com/twist and apply for the Render Startup Program. You'll get anywhere from $500 to $100,000 in free credits, depending on your stage and who your backers are. That's render.com/twist.